Have you ever been told that you have bad posture? Do you get headaches? Do you get neck pain? Or do you get back pain? Well, today I'm going to teach you one exercise that will help with all those things. I'm Gavin from Gavin Noble Physiotherapy, and you're watching the 10X Physio channel. Please take a second, if you could subscribe to our channel, hit the notifications button, and then you will get informed every week of all our free information that we send out. So stay tuned and let's delve a little bit deeper into that one exercise that will help your posture. Okay, so let's just look at this posture exercise. It's called a Brügger's posture exercise. So we're going to do it in sitting. So sitting on a chair, so you're sitting more towards the front of the chair. We take the crown of the head and we just try and take it up towards the ceiling. So we've got a small tuck of the chin in, and from there we're opening up through these collarbones. Arms come down by the side, and I want you to almost feel like you're just gently pinching the shoulder blades together and then taking the bottom part of those shoulder blades down towards the back pockets. So we're into this position here, and from there we take a big deep breath in and then out, in and then out. And we'll just do one more. So breath in and then out and then relax. So again, just remember all the main parts of that. So the crown of the head comes up to the ceiling, tuck of the chin back, open up through the collarbones, pinch the shoulder blades together, and then just take those shoulder blades down towards the back pockets. Hold that for a few breaths and then relax. Okay, so we're going to just look at this exercise from the side here. So again, remember, we're going to sit up tall. We're taking the crown of the head up again towards the ceiling. Okay, we're just a nice little gentle tuck of the chin in. Those arms come down by your side, palms face forward, thumbs up towards the ceiling. We're opening up through the collarbones, and again, remember those shoulder blades, we're aiming down towards the back pockets. We take a breath in and sigh out, breath in, sigh out, and again breath in and sigh out, then relax, and that is our Brügger's posture exercise. So that's our Brügger's posture exercise. So that will help things like headaches, neck pain, shoulder pain, and back pain. Now, again, if you like what you've seen on today's video, please subscribe to the channel. Hit the notifications button so that you get informed when all our videos come out. I'm Gavin Noble from Gavin Noble Physiotherapy, and you've been watching the 10X Physio channel. Thank you.